Looking to bring vintage vibes into your home? Today, we're exploring the best turntable under $500 that delivers crystal clear sound and sleek design. Perfect for beginners and audiophiles alike. Let's find your ideal vinyl companion. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cotsoco Turntable. The Cotsoco Turntable is a stylish, vintage-style record player designed for music lovers who want both classic vinyl playback and modern connectivity. With its retro appearance and textured exterior, this turntable easily blends into home decor while delivering a nostalgic music experience. It supports 3 playback speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, allowing you to enjoy a wide range of 7, 10, and 12-inch vinyl records. The belt drive system helps reduce vibration and provides smooth, stable playback for a warm analog sound. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its versatile connectivity options. It includes Bluetooth input so you can wirelessly stream music from your smartphone or other compatible devices. In addition, aux input, RCA line out, and a headphone jack give you multiple ways to listen to your favorite music. The 2 built-in stereo speakers provide convenient plug-and-play audio, while the RCA output lets you connect external speakers for a louder, richer sound. A removable dust cover protects the platter and vinyl when not in use. Overall, the Cotsoco Turntable is a practical and decorative choice for beginners and casual vinyl collectors. Number 2. 1x1 Turntable. The 1x1 Turntable is a beautifully designed all-in-one record player that combines modern audio technology with elegant craftsmanship. Constructed from wood and metal materials, the turntable has a layered, premium appearance that adds a sophisticated touch to any living space. Its streamlined corner design enhances the stylish aesthetic while maintaining a durable and stable build. This versatile turntable operates at both 33 and 45 RPM speeds, making it compatible with most vinyl records. It also features built-in speakers and a built-in amplifier, allowing users to play music directly without needing extra equipment. For those seeking a more powerful sound system, the amplifier enables connection to externally powered speakers. Additionally, the diamond-tipped Audio-Technica stylus provides precise tracking of record grooves for excellent clarity and detail. Bluetooth wireless streaming allows users to play music from smartphones, tablets, and other devices directly through the turntable speakers. Overall, the 1x1 turntable offers a balanced combination of stylish design, quality components, and modern listening convenience. Number 3. Audio-Technica Turntable. The Audio-Technica Turntable is a reliable option for listeners who want a simple yet high-quality vinyl playback system. Known for producing dependable audio equipment, Audio-Technica designed this turntable to deliver clear, high-fidelity sound while maintaining an easy-to-use setup. The fully automatic belt drive system simplifies operation by automatically starting and stopping the record playback process, making it ideal for beginners and casual listeners. It supports 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, so it can play most standard vinyl records with ease. A key feature of this turntable is its anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter, which helps minimize vibrations and ensures stable rotation for smoother sound reproduction. The redesigned tone arm base and head shell further improve tracking accuracy, allowing the stylus to follow record grooves more precisely while reducing unwanted resonance. Another thoughtful design element is the external AC adapter, which handles AC/DC conversion outside the chassis. This helps lower electrical noise within the audio signal chain and results in cleaner sound output. With its durable build, user-friendly operation, and focus on sound quality, the Audio-Technica Turntable is a dependable choice for anyone starting their vinyl listening journey. Number 4. Retrolife Turntable. The Retrolife Turntable offers a charming blend of vintage aesthetics and modern audio features, making it a popular choice for casual vinyl enthusiasts. Designed with a classic suitcase style, the record player features a black PU leather exterior with retro bronze accents that give it a nostalgic appearance. The compact design and sturdy carrying handle also make it easy to transport, allowing you to enjoy music in different rooms or even take it to gatherings. This turntable supports 3 playback speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, and accommodates 7, 10, and 12-inch vinyl records, ensuring compatibility with most collections. Its belt-driven mechanism and anti-resonance design help improve sound quality by reducing vibration during playback. The built-in speakers allow for immediate listening without extra equipment, which is convenient for beginners. However, the player also provides multiple connection options for added flexibility. You can stream music wirelessly through Bluetooth, connect external speakers via RCA output, or use the AUX in port for other audio devices like MP3 players. A headphone jack is included for private listening. With easy setup and user-friendly controls, the Retrolife Turntable is a great starter record player for everyday enjoyment. Number 5. Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB-BK Turntable. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB-BK Turntable is a professional-grade record player designed for serious vinyl listeners and audio enthusiasts. Featuring a powerful direct-drive DC servo motor, this turntable provides consistent rotation and quick startup performance. It supports 3 playback speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, allowing it to handle a wide variety of vinyl records. Unlike automatic turntables, this model offers fully manual operation, giving users precise control over playback. The balanced S-shaped tone arm includes adjustable dynamic anti-skate control and a hydraulically damped lift system, ensuring accurate stylus tracking and smooth cueing. Another standout feature is the variable pitch control with quartz speed lock, which helps maintain accurate playback speed while offering flexibility for audio adjustments. One of the most useful features for modern users is the built-in USB output, which allows you to convert vinyl records into digital audio files. By connecting the turntable to a computer and using recording software such as Audacity, you can easily preserve your favorite records in digital form. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.